I like to share you a small incident that happened while I was preparing for NEET. One day I had two physics tests, one during morning and another during evening. My physics teacher told me that morning paper is very easy and evening paper is very difficult. I got that in my mind and I wrote both the tests. After that I went to my home and calculated my marks. More obviously, I scored very good marks in morning test since my teacher told it is a easier one, and I scored very low marks in evening test. Fine. Next day in physics class, my teacher announced a shocking news. He told, "Sorry students, what I told yesterday was wrong because I wrongly told morning paper was easy but it is a difficult one and evening paper is a easier one." Yes guys, this is what I learned from this incident. If you think something as hard, even if it is easy, it will be hard for you. If you think something as easy, even if it is difficult, it will be easy for you. So try to eliminate that. Physics is very difficult. Instead, tell to yourself, physics is very easy for me. So the thing you need to do is change your mindset. I like to illustrate this with an example. For example, if you are traveling in a car and you have two road tracks, obviously these two roads lead to two different destinations. If you want to go to Delhi, you need to travel in this track. And if you want to go to Mumbai, you need to travel in this track. Fine. Similar to that, mindset is like a track and destination is your goal and the car is your effort. So if your goal is to score 180 in physics, you must have the proper mindset in order to reach that. But if you don't have a proper mindset, how much great effort you put is doesn't matter. Definitely you won't reach your goal. So mindset is the thing that matters. Finally, we got the official date for NEET 2021. I hope everyone is on fire to complete your syllabus. And I'm very happy and excited to announce about our physics crash course. And we have successfully launched it in our app. Many students already started using it and we are getting very good feedback from students. First things first, if you take a closer look at this schedule, you can find it is a 20 days crash course. No guys, it is not a dream, it is a true. We will cover entire NEET physics syllabus in just 20 days. We will cover not only the important concepts, but we will cover almost all the concepts of NCERT. In the first 10 days, we will cover class 11 chapters and in the last 10 days, we will cover class 12 chapters. For the first day, we will cover units and dimension, and in the second day, we will cover kinematics, and by the third day, we will cover laws of motion. Like this, by the end of 10th day, class 11 syllabus is over, and by the end of 20th day, class 12 syllabus is boom, over. And the important thing is that all the lectures will be in English, not in Hindi. And the concepts are explained in very simple terms and easy manner. And in videos, we are not only covering theory parts, but we are also doing problems on each and every concepts of NCERT for better understanding. If you are a NEET aspirant who is preparing for NEET 2021, this course will be a perfect choice for you. There is no specific time for watching lectures. You can watch our lectures at any time of the day, and you need only 20 days before the exam to complete entire physics syllabus. We are not going to charge you multiple thousands of rupees for this crash course. To pay to our teachers under the app management, we are charging only 499 rupees for our crash course. And every penny you spend is really worthful. And one more fact is you can avail 100 rupees discount if you use our code NEET100, and this coupon code is valid only for first 30 students who purchase our courses. Still only few seats left out for this discount, so hurry up. To purchase our crash course, download our app NEET Master in Play Store. I have given a link in description, and once you have downloaded, launch our app. Here you click Store button. Here you can find our physics crash course. Click that. Here in this page, you can find details of our crash course. Here, click content. Here you can look at our 20 days schedule, and with respect to that schedule, we will post video lectures for all the chapters in these folders for 20 days. And the first 2 minutes of all our videos is free. You can watch that to check quality. And to purchase, click Buy Now button and complete your payment. You can pay through any modes. Once you have completed your purchase, you can enjoy watching our lectures. This is a procedure to buy our crash course. All the lectures will be available for 3 months duration. Please make use of our efforts and get benefited. And we are also conducting test series for all the 3 subjects and biology exclusively. Please check out that also. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching my video till the end. See you in next video.